Guys, welcome back to our channel. As you all know, GATE 2025 is very much near, so we came up to solve a GATE question. So this is a GATE 2024 question. So this is a DSA question. So an array 82, 101, 90, 11, 111, 75, 33, 131, 44, 93 is heapified, means it is insert in the heap. So which one of the following option represents the first three elements? So we have to find it out to the first three element in the heapified array. So in heap always note that always the root node is the maximum number. The number which is maximum is always present in the root node, and the leaf node contains the smaller number with respect to the root node. So we insert the element one by one. So 82. So this is the first element, so nothing is being done. So 101 is inserted. So 101 is the largest number of 82 and 101, so it's swept down. So swapping is needed. So 101, then 82. Then we insert 90. So as among three, 101 is largest, so nothing is swiping is done. Then double one, nothing is swiping is happening. So now insert triple one. So triple one is larger than 82, so swiping again. Then 101 and double triple one. So 101 is smaller, so triple one is goes here, and 101 is goes here. So now the tree or heap is look like triple one, 101, 90, double one, 82. Then so we insert last triple one, then we insert 75. 75 is smaller than 90, so nothing is being happen. Then 33, so 33 also same, smaller than 90, so nothing is being happen. Then we insert 131, so 131 is larger than 11, so swapping is happened. 131 and 101, 131 is larger, then swiping is happened. Then 131 and triple one, so 11 triple one is goes here, and 131 is goes here. Then after swapping, the trees look like 131, triple one, 90, 101, 82, 75, 33, double one. Then we insert 44. So 44 is nothing is being changed. 93. So 93 is larger than 82. So swapping is done here. So after all these things, the tree is look like 131, triple one, 90, 101, 93, 75, 33, 11, 44, 82. The trace looks like. So we have to know the answer is the first three. So the first three element of the heapified array is 131, triple one, and 90. The first three element. If the heapified array is look like, means the array version 131, triple one, 90, then 101, then 93, then 75, then 33, then double one, then 44, and last 82. So we go level by level, right to left. So this is the heapified array list, and the first three element is 131, triple one, and 90. So among all the option D is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.